Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today I will show you how to fix Shopee promotion cannot be redeemed. So you will have to just open the Shopee account, and here you will see there is the option of voucher. I have 17 vouchers. So when you open, so I will just have to click to what I use. So here you will see, here is my shipping discount up to 70 off. So you can just see the date of validity. So mine is 29 July 2024. If you have expired date of redeem voucher, so you cannot be redeem this promotion if the expired date has gone. So hope this video help you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.